talk about fashion and lifestyle, and I'm also a fashion blogger. My blog URL is in the description box below, and you can also connect with me on the social media platforms which are linked below in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get into this review video. Guys, hope everyone is safe and sound. I know that unlocking has begun in most of the states, but the virus is still around and we need to be safe and sound. So here I am with the product review, and this is my first package post the quarantine lockdown, and I got a package from Deyga, which is a natural, pure, handmade cosmetic brand, and so I've been using it for quite some time now, and I've been loving the product because anything natural is obviously worth using, and because of all this that's happening around us, it's essential for us to take a step towards sustainable living. So I'm also trying my level best to, you know, do small little things that will not affect the world and people around us and the nature. So yeah, so let's get into the package that I received from Deyga. The first being the face toners. So this is the Basil facial toner, which is basically again pure, handcrafted and natural. So you can either use this post your face wash, or you can also use this in some face powder mask to make a paste out of it, and I have been doing the same. You can spray directly. It says you can spray directly onto your face to hydrate and refresh your skin, and it smells natural, and this is made 100% out of steamed distilled basil water. So this is one product. The next facial toner that I got from Deyga is the tea tree facial toner, which is the evergreen product, and this is also made out of steamed tea tree water. And similar to this facial toner, basically basil is used for acne prone skin, but since I don't have acne, I use it in my beauty regime post face wash. I just spray a bit on my face or add it to the face pack or powder, whatever I'm using, and apply it on my face. So this one also has the usage and the ingredients mentioned here. Plus this one is for 390 and the basil facial toner is for 400 rupees. These two are the face toners that I got from Deyga Organics. Coming to face masks. Enough face masks, like, I don't think so. So coming to the face mask, we have this face pack from Deyga, which is a rose and muleti face powder. So what I usually do is I add either one of these toners in this powder and apply it on my face. I'm going to show you how. And this specific one is for skin brightening. To use this is you can either add milk, or you could add these toners to this powder and apply a thick paste on your face, and you know, it's a perfect pack for a dull and dry skin, especially post work and everything. And the ingredients are rose greens, muleti, oatmeal and essential oil, all natural and handmade for you. This one is priced at 490 rupees, and this one is the rose and muleti face pack. Is this orange and almond face pack, which has almond meal, sun-dried pulp and zest of orange, turmeric root and essential oil in this little package, which is a plant-based goodness, just like the rose and muleti one. And what you can do as well is add drops of milk or toner and make a paste of it and apply it to the screen. This once, like I've always mentioned before, I have a field job and it becomes incredibly difficult for me to get rid of the tan of my face. Not that I don't apply a sunscreen, but it really works on me. I think I need to get my vitamins checked. Plus, this one is a sun removal face pack. So all it does is removes the dead skin from your face and also the tan from your skin, leaving it a little much. These two are the ones that I got, and these face packs are beauty. So you should check out their website because they have various number of categories to pick from, and a lot of products in their basket for every category. And I'm gonna mention all the links in the description box also of these products that I got, so that it's easy for you to go directly to their website and get what you want. You can check out, and of course very reasonable pricing for handmade organic products, which is a very rare find. So first and foremost, I'm going to tie my hair before I get into this. So I have a little bit of makeup and I'm going to remove it with distilled water. I use this one. Washed my face to prep up for this face pack, and I'm going to dry a bit before applying. So as you can see, I've got the Deyga orange and the almond pack and the tea tree face toner. Need a paste, so now need a paste of this. For 15 minutes so that it dries, and then I will wash over my face. So it's been about 15 minutes now, and I'm gonna scrub this mask up from my face. I don't know if you can see the difference, but all I could say is happy skin is equal to healthy skin. So I'm gonna spray amount of toner on my face so that it's a little hydrated, because of the mask my skin will feel a little dry, and I'm going to let it dry now. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe.